carbonara, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is the best carbonara in Miami from Borti Pasta Bar. Ciao ragazzi, ingredients for today. Guanciale. You already know what I'm cooking today. Guanciale, it's offered by a company called Sogno Toscano. It's produced here in the United States, but the company is Italian. It's fantastic guanciale, one of the best I've ever had. Parmiggiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, free range eggs, black pepper, some nice fresh spaghetti. Okay, guanciale, we're gonna clean the guanciale. Remove the skin, but also remove some of the black pepper around. And we're gonna remove that. So we're gonna slice the guanciale. Then we're gonna basically cut it in little strips. Okay? We have our guanciale ready. And now we're gonna put the guanciale in a pan, no oil, because the guanciale is gonna melt and it's gonna become really nice and crispy. Nice, crispy, beautiful, brown. It releases all the fat. This fat is fantastic on our carbonara. Now I'm gonna just remove the guanciale. Just remove this, that's it. Boil the water and we're gonna just put a little bit of salt. This time, no ocean water, but just a little salty water because our carbonara, it's already salty, okay? So just put a little bit of salt inside. All right, not too much. Voila. Let's go with our eggs and let's only use the yolk. All right, now plenty of pecorino. Look at this. Add a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano because the pecorino sometimes is too strong, too salty. And the Parmigiano, it gives a little bit of more sweet. And we're gonna add my favorite thing, the black pepper. There we go. So now, a little trick. You do this. You put this thing inside there and you warm and leave it like that for a few seconds. We put the guanciale back on fire and we have a pasta ready. So we're gonna put the pastas inside there. See, all the oil from the guanciale is gonna go inside the pasta. It's gonna give that flavor. We're gonna cook it a little bit like that with some of the water. There we go. Bing, boom, bang. Here we have our cream. And we're gonna put this one right there. Voila. It looks wonderful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put a little bit of that water from the pasta. And that's it. And look, our carbonara is ready. Ready to play the carbonara. Wow, it smells so good, guys. See? Oh la la, look how beautiful. Perfect. Put a little bit of Pecorino Romano on top. Okay, look, a little bit more guanciale. We love guanciale, guys. There we go. Oof. And some more black pepper. Wow, look at this. Look at this masterpiece. This is why our carbonara in Miami is the best carbonara probably in the world, but we make it here at Borti Pasta Bar in Miami. This is our carbonara. Now let's see the carbonara. If it's really the best carbonara in Miami, but I'm sure it is. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. Look, oh, crispy. I can't stop eating this. This is so good.